What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to run this 1970 split bumper Camaro. I did paint this car and it is black Proline Pearl and Proline Red. But anyway, today we're going to rip the Kyosho tires, and also brought the Proline tires that I bought for this build. They're wider. I just out of curiosity, see if the bigger tires, how much they slow me down. These don't balloon as much as these are a little more stiff, so I don't think they balloon as much as the Kyosho ones that are pretty soft. But let me get this warming up. I'm running a Novarossi Mito .12 World Championship engine with the Novarossi tuned pipe. Running 25% VP fuel, 9% oil, nitro.
I got all your tires like that.
Got my little handy box here. So we're just going to change the tires on location.
Okay.
Get a speed run
With
with these Kyosho tires. Is there an echo in here? And then we'll throw the Proline Protoform. They actually built those for this Camaro, for the Trans Am. They're the vintage classic racing wheel. And the Protoform. So the back are wider than the front, as you can see. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. All right, should be getting warmed up. I love this engine, it's so smooth. These DLC and ceramic engines are so much smoother and run so much better. Every one that I have, it just is so smooth. Easy start, everything. Just from the very start, from the break-in, it's just a smooth break-in. They're just so much smoother. Let's see if we can get a little prime. Oh guys, also all right, I zoomed it in a little bit. These are oh, where are we at here? Where are we at? First start. First time, every time. Drive it around, make sure we got a good tune. Oh yeah. I think it's a perfect tune. All right. Bluetooth on. Listen to that, just purring like a kitten. Purring like a sewing machine. See what kind of speeds we're getting. $44. $50. All right. Let's do one more. Now this is with the stock gearing. I think the 15K15 only hit 43 or 41, something like that. That's as fast as I could get it to go. Okay, start. Let's say that in park right there. Of course, you know, I'm just lucky I get to run here, but I don't think I topped 50. Okay, so the highest we got was 50. It's a little more squirrely with with these tires too. It's more stable with these other tires, so let's throw them on. Let's throw these other tires on and make sure I'm bottom dead center here. These look so much better on here than them other ones. All right, let me throw these other ones on. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Looks so much better with these tires. They fill out the fender wells better. And the car's more stable. I think I'm going to the right. All right. Start. Come on, what are you doing now? Here we go. Whoa! Hey, get away from that truck. Stop. Read. 53. I'm here to get some high gears and see how fast we can really get this sucker to go. We'll call it with 53. I love this engine. I love this car. Oh. Yeah, baby. The grass ain't gonna slow it down. Elijah, what are you doing? Bottom down. Yeah, so I'm not trying to break no record today. I just wanted to see if these tires are holding me back, being wider. And they're actually a little bit, just a smidge, maybe a millimeter or two shorter.
Gas powered?
Yeah. Yeah, it runs on nitromethane.
I hear you over here a lot of time on Sundays. I had to come see what it's about.
Yeah.
Neat looking car.
Yeah, I painted it and everything. I built them. About 20 minutes or so. Yeah, they got a little small tank on it. Little two-stroke engines. They're like little miniature dirt bike engines, what they are, yeah.
Oh, if you have changed tires on it.
Yeah, they do wear out, yeah. Yeah.
The tires are smoking a while ago, or the engine?
The engine, because it's two-stroke.
Yeah.
But yeah, they smoke a little bit too.
Yeah.
It's an all-wheel drive.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know, Judge. I had to come see what it looked like.
They got a 2-speed transmission.
Huh.
It shifts. Oh, I'm out of fuel.
Another thing look like it flies.
Yeah. I clocked it a while ago at 53.
I sat on the porch. Sometimes I can see it go by. All I see is a streak.
Yeah.
Dad,
What'd you do?
I broke my knee.
You did? You fall?
Yeah, I fell on that grass.
You okay?
At least it didn't fall on the gravel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
That grass stain?
Yeah, that grass fell and then I did a trip and I fell right down in the grass.
You okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know,
live in that house
about
there?
the
Yeah.
My ex used to live there. Son
That's a neighbor from back here behind the church, but they're always fascinated with this car. They always come talk to me. People from the church, they don't mind a run here. That's actually a church there, so. But anyway, yeah, 53, I'll take it for stock gearing for now. I'm gonna order up some taller gears. I just don't like the way there's no gear mesh adjustment on this, so you gotta get all the gears to go up. But that's Kyosho for you. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.